Hi, I'm Quynh Trinh. I live in Benicia, California. A few years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. Then 2 years ago, in 2006, I went through the whole conventional treatments, surgery, radiation, chemotherapy. But then in October 2007, it was found out that there's metastases to the lungs and the bone. So I was put back on second round of chemo, and after a while I decided I want something to boost up my immune system instead of suppressing it. So I talked to my oncologist, and I'm fortunate she's open-minded, and so I did some research, and a friend of mine who went to Oasis of Hope did tell me about Issels, and I'm just really fortunate to find out about this program. It's an ideal program for, I guess, any stage cancer patient to go there and heal. It's a loving, caring environment. Before I went to Issels, the situation deteriorated real bad. I couldn't breathe. And so I went to hospital in John Muir, and I was at the hospital for several days, but they couldn't do anything for me. My oncologist also said that she didn't have anything for me, If I want to follow her protocol, it will be more chemo and more chemo, but she didn't have anything to cure me. And so they sent me home with oxygen, and I was really weak. I was at the level where I could take care of myself, but I couldn't do the normal activities at all, the daily activities. So when I went to Issels, I was much stronger again. They have a whole comprehensive program where there's, the nutrition, the vitamin, the diet supplements, and immunotherapies. And every day you just have fresh cooked vegetables and fresh fruits and fresh fruit juice, vegetable juices, and a very good detoxification program. And so I stayed there for a month, 28 days. The program is 28 days. And there's such a big difference. So now I could just walk around and go back to my old activities and breathe normally, and it is such a difference. The funny thing is that when I got back here, I went to my oncologist's office to visit and let them know what's going on, because I still need to work with them to get lab reports and CAT scan just to show the, how things are getting better, the remission. So they're still very open-minded. They'll work with me. But when I walked in, the two nurses that took care of me all the time before, the oncology nurses, they was just staring at me. It's like the jaw just dropped. And they looked at me and they said, "Is that you? Well, you look so good. You look like you gained weight." I said, so I would strongly recommend for any cancer patient to explore Issels, talk to Mrs. Issels, find out about the program, and definitely it would be very rewarding. That's the best decision you could make regarding your health, because it surely works, and it really built back my strength. And I'm just gonna keep on following up, you know, the protocol, stick with my schedule for vitamins and supplements and my vaccines, and take good care of myself and my diet and fruit juices. And I'm very confident that, you know, in a few months, everything will be fine. So